Hey, Brad, what are you working on in there? Oh, hey. No, why? Well, how come you're all dirty? Are you hiding something? Is that a supercar in there? What's in the barn? How come I've never been in there before? I reckon it's time for you to skedaddle. Hey man, I'm not leaving until you show me what's inside that barn. I'll show you, but you can't tell no one. Whoa, no way. Is that a tractor?
Sure is.
That thing is so cool. We gotta close these doors so no one sees. All you investor and realtor types always want them super flashy supercars. Always buying them Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Hyundais. Pretty typical if you ask me. Tractors are where it's at. See this thing right here? She'll do way more than any supercar. It's got that 73 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder diesel. Got a big rattler in her. She's got that AC Toyota radio with 2 radio stations, country and western. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, no hydrostatic here, with a 3-speed transfer case, and it's 4-wheel drive. She tops out at 19.3 miles per hour. You see the size of the bucket on that girl? She'll lift about 4,000 pounds. Take a look inside. She's got that vinyl floor. She's got that cloth seat with manual seat adjustments. She's got tilt and telescope on that steering wheel. She's got hydraulics too. Oh, did I mention the 3-point hitch on the back? And she's got PTO and PTOE. Now get out of here before I crush your little Hyundai with my tractor. Okay, easy, Brad. My Hyundai's not even paid off yet. I'm leaving. Typical realtor investor.